Dax79 here. I hope you're all having a good day. This one has not been tampered with, which is good. So look what we got in here, eh? Whoa. 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 Transition. Hey. Now, at the moment, I live next door to a crazy person. To put it nicely, I've got a guy that's basically harassing us quite a bit, my family. So we've got a camera on the Ring doorbells, which has been good, but this person keeps going down the side of our house and stuff. So I saw this and thought, what have we got to lose? Let's get ourselves a camera. HD Wi-Fi security camera, 360 viewing angle, 2K quality, smart motion, active alarm. So, key features: smart home surveillance camera, good, so it'll hook up to everything in the smart home. Remote access via free app, which is good. Playback recording to SD card, excellent. Night vision, good. Motion detection, clear two-way audio. This looks really, really good, eh? Micro SD card supports up to 128 gig. Don't know if there's one in it, but we'll have a little look. Doesn't work on the 5G network by the looks of things. It's just the 2G. I'm noticing a lot with smart home things actually, so there must be something I don't know about that. So look. First things first. Yes, by law, you're supposed to always place a sticker visible for the public to see if they're being recorded. It's a law to do with your human rights. The way I see it is, if they can be seen by my camera, they're too close. Instruction manual. About that in a moment. So far, this has all been wrapped up very well. Camera itself, how to drill it, and here the holes. There's a little, I like it when they do this. You stick this on the wall where you want it, and you drill in these locations. It's got a power pack already. For some reason I read it didn't have a power pack, so I bought a spare one. The wall mount, cable. So let's have a little look at this little baby then. So you put an SD card in there as a backup. Plug it in. You can see it's got a little red light on already. Oh. Right, so I need to put the app on my phone. Right, you can pause all those pages and have a look at that. So if you can see on here, here's see my face on there? So this little camera, here it is, when you touch your screen, it moves. It took no time to set up whatsoever. Right, let me just... Yeah, I like that. It tells you the percentage of everything, blah, 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 blah. I need to set this up properly. Big question is, can I add this to my smart home so Alexa knows it's there? So if I was to then go into my Alexa app, here's you go down to more, skills and games, search. You want to put skills in for this camera, which is ANRAN. There it is. Enable. So I'll do that. Put that in. And yeah, we've just logged into this. So you go, so skills and settings, sign into, is it Anran? Security. There you go. Your account has been successfully linked. Now, the A word, I won't say it for your sake as well as mine, is looking for the device to connect. Could take up to 45 seconds. One camera found. Set up. Yeah. Should we call it patio? Patio. There we go, so it is working brilliant. Excellent. Here's a little camera here. His little 360 guy. He's all set up on Amazon Alexa. Whisper it, so it doesn't listen to me. It's all set up on there. What I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to set up the, instead of having the power, I've got to try and see if I can use the solar panel on it. And if that all works, then it's all going outside. Only problem is I can't climb ladders at the moment doing it like that. So I'll put them away for now, put them all together. So for value for money, this thing was so easy to set up. It won't work on 5G, like the other items I've discovered recently have not worked on 5G for surveillance. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to have him set up. This is going to go actually outside the back of our house, so it won't really pick a lot up. It's just in case people start going through the side of our house. And we've got the Ring doorbell at the front, so we just need one for the back now. So this will be this one. I'll put a SD card in the bottom here so it can record on loop. Right, so that's Dax79 and one of his little babies. Sign off. Hello, how you doing?